profitable in 2024 in your Shopify store can be challenging. Ad costs are rising up, product and shipping costs as well, and it seems like profit margins are taking a huge hit. However, don't you worry, because I will show you how to double your profits today. So stick around till the end of the video as I show you all the secrets and the exact apps that I use. I see a lot of students getting everything right. CPC around that dollar, the conversion rate around that 2%, and yet their profit is either non-existent or extremely low. Why is that? Let's say you want to make $10,000 and your product cost or product selling price is around that $25. That means you need 400 orders to reach that $10,000 a month. But all of that can be way quicker. The number one tool that can triple your revenue is giving options to your customer to buy more for less. What do I mean by that? Well, imagine we're selling socks and we sell one pair for X amount, yet we sell two pairs for 20% off. How many do you think will actually go for the two pairs instead of the one pair? And now suddenly your $25 product becomes a $40 product and your average order value almost doubles. Now, instead of that 400 orders, you would only need 250 orders to reach that $10,000. You see how you cut all of that in half? In fact, the average order value plays a significant role in your profit. I see a lot of people focus on their cost per click, their conversion rate, and they completely forget and dismiss that part. Yet it's one of the most important parts in the success of an e-commerce store. Now, how can we leverage this trick? There's this amazing app called Kaching that will allow us to do just that. Don't you worry guys, I got you, and I left the link in the description below for a 14-day free trial so you guys can test it out. But this app is a really good app to use. In fact, it is used by very big brands such as Bleem. Bleem is a known e-commerce brand that has made millions. And as you guys can see over here on their main product page, they have the bundle and save. This is Kaching right here. And what it allows us to do is basically expose our offer in a very clear and very beautiful designed way. So over here, you can see one pack is $29. I get to save $20. If I buy two, I get one for free, and that's $48. As well, I can see a most popular badge over here, which makes me more excited, or the customer more excited to click on that one rather than the $29 one. Plus free shipping, and buy three, get two for free for $65. Obviously, these are really good offers and Bleem knows exactly what they're doing. And that's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to check out this app with the link I provided, because you will be able to do that. And don't you worry, if you cannot offer like a buy two, get one for free, you can still leverage this app by saying buy one for 10% off, or, buy one the price, buy two for 20% off, and buy three for 30% off. Giving discounts will make people want to click on that, and exposing your offer in a very clear way will make people more excited. I will leave down a link somewhere in here on a video of how to set this app step by step in case you guys get confused. Now, another thing many people forget to do is cross-selling. We should expose the customer with as many products as possible that they might be interested in, so we can increase the average order value and of course double the profits. This is done brilliantly by Amazon, one of the biggest e-commerce in the world, where if you click on any product, if you scroll down, you will see frequently bought together, or you may also like, and a bunch of other products that fit in that same category or same niche. And this is exactly what we want to do. These products should appeal to that same target audience, and they should either solve that same problem they're having or complete the experience. So for example, let's say we are selling a tent for like a camping tent for people that want to go camping. A good cross-selling item can be a camping inflatable mattress, a really comfortable mattress, a hammock, a camping lamp, everything that will allow the user to complete the experience. And suddenly now the person that is going camping will look at all of that and be excited to buy all of these different options, because it will complete the whole experience for him and make it unforgettable. So this is extremely important to not forget, and make sure it's very easy for people to add to their cart these different products, and as well give them a small incentive, like a small discount or a small promotion, so they can get more excited about these products. In fact, an app that I use that will allow you to do all of that and more is called Upcart. Don't you worry guys, I left the link in the description as well, so you can get a 14-day free trial. What this app will allow you to do is increase your average order value, but as well decrease your abandonment cart rate. So how does it do that? As you can see, you can customize all of your cart from adding a product that they might like. They can click on the arrows to see other ones, so you can always A/B test which one shows first. And then you can also put in a shipping bar. I really like this shipping bar, especially when you are selling products for a certain price, but your free shipping is above a certain threshold. Let's say, above $80 you get free shipping, and your product is $45 or $50, and you are upselling them with another product that's $50. So now it's even more exciting for the customer to actually buy that upsell and that cross-sell product you're offering, because not only will they get that product, but they will also get free shipping. And this bar kind of plays a psychological trick on them, because people love rewards and people love to see progress. So whenever you show them this and they realize they're a few dollars away from free shipping, they're more likely to actually buy these products and get that free reward, right? So this is pretty nice to play around with. I also would highly suggest you guys to take a look at one of their one-click switch add-on modules, which will allow to add in shipping protection or add in insurance on their shipping. Another famous one is like fast track. So people that want their orders faster, you can offer it right here in a click of a button for like $5, $10. And just like that, you can add dollars to your average order value and get you even more profit. Something else that I really like with this app is it allows you to do trust badges, which will decrease the abandonment cart percentage, because it will offer more security on, that you offer a 30-day money back guarantee, that you're secure, 100% satisfaction. All of that will play a role in people not abandoning their cart and actually moving forward to buy your product. So make sure to check this app out, because it's been a game changer in my shop and has really dramatically increased my average order value. Now, the last most important tip to maximize your revenue from your customer is post-purchase offers. And this is where you can go big. The reason why is because that customer is in consumer mode, and it's 10 times easier to sell to someone in that mode than someone that is not. In fact, psychologically speaking, we've all been there, right? When you go shopping, maybe with a friend, and you're not looking to buy anything, but as soon as you make that decision to buy that shirt, you start thinking about buying the shoes, buying the pants, and you get that little sense of excitement. Well, this is completely normal. This is a psychological trick 101. So this is what we need to replicate on our store. And on another point is when you are hitting that customer with a post-purchase offer, this customer has trusted you enough to put their card information on your store and go through the whole process. And so it's also very easy to sell to them again than a completely new customer that doesn't trust you enough, that doesn't know you yet, and that isn't convinced by your offer. And so as soon as they press that checkout button, they should be hit with your big offer. This trick alone will 5x your profit. In fact, for this, I use an app called Reconvert. I will also leave the link in my description. And what Reconvert allows you to do is basically do a post-purchase funnel. So once they check out, they bought, they put their card information in, they will go through some pop-ups that will give them different discounts that they might be interested in. Now, a very famous one to try out is basically put your product, the first upsell, put your product with a discount. This is great because you're playing on both ends. Number one, you're playing on the psychological trick of framing. Obviously, if they bought a product for $40, then the value perceived of that product is $40, right? Now, if you show that same product for $30 or $35, they're gonna be like, damn, I need this product, I need this offer. And so they will buy this product again. Now, this is a really, really good one because you're sure that this customer is interested in this product and you are playing with the framing kind of psychological trick. Now, if they decline this offer, you can hit them with another upsell, another cross sell. And if they approve the offer, you can hit them with the second upsell. The second upsell, I would do something that is more expensive. So something that is like of bigger value because we already got their trust, know they're the perfect audience for that, that problem that they're trying to find a solution for. And we have the perfect solution for them. And that's where I hit them with the big offer. Now, what's really good about Reconvert as well is the thank you page optimization. It's absolutely amazing because if you check out right now on Shopify with the regular checkout, it's pretty boring. It just gives you the order confirmation, the address, all of that. But over here, you can customize all of it. So you can customize by asking their birthdays, which is pretty nice because if you collect the data, you can hit them with email marketing later on, right? And that works pretty well. And also collect data about the age of your demographic, when they were born, and all of that. Now, another thing is obviously putting the offers in here. So you can put your upsells and cross sells in the thank you page, and they can always come back and buy it from there with a specific discount because obviously they're really good customers. They actually bought from you. So offering them a discount for being a good customer is pretty nice to do over here. This app will also give you really good analytics whenever you A/B test these post-purchase funnels. I would do that every 15 days or so, especially if an upsell is not working properly. It's not because of the funnel, it's probably because of the offer or the product you're selling in. So make sure to test all of these out, and you can also be very specific based on the product. So you can do a post-purchase funnel for product A and another post-purchase funnel for product B. And obviously, if you have a lot of product, you have to think about what kind of products fits the best the main product. And there you go. If you focus on showing the customer a ton of products that they might love, you will 5x your profit. You just need to understand what this customer is after and solve that problem with different products. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up below with a comment of your biggest takeaway. Make sure to subscribe and put on that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. I'll see you guys next time.